Plants grow everywhere, on high mountains, on arid lands. And even under the sea. Plants grow in scorching heat and shivering cold. Plants climb. Cucumber and grapevines lean on and climb up poles and branches. Plants creep. Pumpkin and watermelon creepers glide along the ground. Plants grow on water. Water lilies and lotuses float on the surface of lakes and ponds. Plants grow underwater. Swaying seagrass are rooted to the bottom of the sea. Plants bloom in the harshest of winters. Cabbages and collards grow hidden under a blanket of snow. Plants grow in the hottest of summers. Cacti bloom in sandy deserts with their shallow roots growing beneath the surface. Plants grow on rocks and stone. Slippery moss spreads like a velvety green blanket on riverside rocks and damp caves. Plants grow under the soil. Potatoes and carrots grow under the ground, with only their leaves peeking above the earth. Plants emerge from the soil and grow taller and taller. They stretch and reach out for the sun, like all of us.